How to use tofu to cook a food for dogs. Pork bones are boiled in a pot to create a rich, savory broth. Soft tofu cubes are added, followed by a generous handful of goji berries for nutrition. A bowl of steamed green bean rice is blended into the warm, fragrant broth. A small amount of wheat bran is stirred in, gently enhancing texture and health benefits. A few soft pork bones are returned, boosting flavor for the awaiting dog. A handful of hair-nourishing herbs, prized by Chinese medicine, is added, cooking for 10 minutes. Once ready, a bowl of the prepared wholesome food is presented to the dog. Watch it eat with such happy joy, tail wagging, savoring every delicious bite. This nourishing dish brings health and happiness. Can it benefit pets too? Please subscribe to this channel for more insights on healthy pet foods.